My name is Webnorah, and then here we discuss basically matters concerning cryptocurrency when it comes to initial coin offers, when it comes to airdrops, when it comes to mining, crypto mining and other things. So here you will find all the information you need, including airdrop signals. That is, whenever new projects are about coming on board, the owners usually give out freebies, which is called airdrops. Some of them also deploy mining apps with which you can use to at least mine some bits of their token, mine their tokens in bits, depending when they will go mainnet. So the whole idea behind this is for them to bring together a community that will engage on their platform, that they will use also to test the efficacy of what they are building. So basically that is what we do here on this channel. So you guys are welcome to engage on this channel. The comment sections are there for you to engage. I also run a WhatsApp community where you can find all the information you need, whether it's airdrop signals and everything. So if you want to join the community also, in the description below you will find links and other links to other communities which I run. You're welcome once again, guys, and I'll see you around.